Alex, which is what's the normal depth of a slab?
Really 4 inches.
Yes, 4 inches. And that is a 4-inch slab per square foot is 0.0123. Okay, now pick a number for a slab. Let's say 1,400 square feet. Times that by 1,400. 1,400 square feet equals 17.27 CYs. Add up to 1,800 or 18 CYs. There you go. That's it. So that is the number. If you can remember 0.0123 for all 4-inch slabs, times it by the square footage, you got your yardage. Okay, so I built this this 1 square foot by 4-inch replica of a patio so that I can clearly explain the formula for calculating yardage. You would go 4 times 12 times 12, which is this box, equals 576. 576 divided by 46656, which is a cubic yard of concrete in inches. And that equals 0.0123. So that's 1 square at 4 inches equals 0.0123. And if you have 10,000 of them or 20,000 or 400, you times it by this number and you get your yardage. It is 0, 1, 2, 3 times total square foot. Square foot. I get the 0.0123 from dividing 4-inch deep times 12 times 12. I multiply those together. It's 576, and I divide it by 46656, the cubic inches of a cubic yard, and it's 0.0123. Now, most concrete guys, if not 99%, I suppose, will basically do total square feet. Square feet. They will divide it by 80. We'll say most of the time it's 80. It's perfect would be 81, but that's okay. And what I'm going to say is this is okay. This is like having a good woman. The only way you screw this up is to push the wrong buttons. But this times the total square foot will equal the same thing. So I use both of those. If I use this one first, I use this one to check my work. If I use this one first, I use this one to check my work. So knowing both ways is kind of a quality control measure. So anyway, each of those will work. You try it out, check it out, and tell me if I'm not wrong. These are all 4-inch sections, and in a cubic yard, we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 sections. So we laid these out. If we could just cut this thing in exact 4-inch pieces and then pick them up and lay them down, we would get, what's 3 times 3? 9. So we'd have 9 square feet. Each of these would be 9 square feet. We lay them all out. We have nine of them at 9 square feet, 81. And that is where your concrete guy that you're going to have pour your patio, he's going to divide your square footage by 81. That's where he gets that number. Some guys do 80, some guys do 75 for slop, but basically that is the math. And so again, if we just cut it, lay it out, we could build ourselves, this cubic yard will build an 81 square foot patio.